Hi, my name is Larry Smith. I'm a chiropractor and a nurse practitioner practicing in Palm Harbor, Florida. I practice sports medicine with an emphasis on pain management and regenerative medicine. I also teach for a major medical education company where I teach PRP and spinal and non-spinal joint injections. Through my clinical career over the last 20 years and teaching for the last 10, I've used pretty much every PRP kit available on the market today. And I can tell you that Juventix has the best kit available. I've just started using them recently, and I got to tell you, they are amazing. Everything you need is in the kit except a Band-Aid. You do the kit, you draw the blood, everything's there. Little things like the plug, the separator plug is at a 45-degree angle, so you can drop the needle in right next to it and get all of your PRP out of it. So I highly recommend this product, 100%. I give them a 5-star rating on whatever platform we can get them to. But I just wanted to put out there a video to let you know that I've used pretty much every type of system there is available. This one, this is the ticket. That's the one.